Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to steal other players Brainrot, whatever this is called. So basically if you just want to steal their items or whatever, you have to make your way into the base, and once you do, you just have to go over to whichever one you want to collect and hold E if you're on if you are on PC, but I'm not it should say whatever button it is even if you're on console. But anyways, all you have to do is just simply make your way into somebody's base. Like, let's just say there's an item here, you step on the green thing and you just hold E, and then it will, or whatever the button is for your console, and you will get it. And that is basically, and then you have to bring it all the way back to your base, and you have to choose a spot where that is open, and you can go ahead and place it there. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how to steal somebody's items and steal a Brainrot. And yeah, so that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.